Hello, I'm Lioness Travels. Today I'm going to teach you how to minimize on snoring. First of all, snoring is caused by things such as your tongue, mouth, throat, or airways in your nose vibrating as you breathe. It happens because these parts of your body relax and narrow when you are asleep. So do not forget that snoring is very normal and is usually caused by anything serious. And again, do not forget you're likely to snore if you're overweight. So here we go. Things you can do to help you stop snoring. Guess what? The do's. Try to always sleep on your side. Or else, sleeping on your side, if it is so difficult for you, try to do the taping or stitching a tennis ball to your back of your sleep wear, or buy a special pillow or bed wedge to help you keep on your side. Secondly, consider talking to your partner to use earphones if the snoring affects their sleep. Always exercise your mouth before sleeping. Try mouth exercises. And again, do not forget wearing a nostril strip. So that will also help you in not snoring. So we are going on the don'ts. Do not smoke. Smoking also brings snoring. If you didn't know that, do not take much alcohol. Reduce on the content. If you would take 4 beers, 3 beers, so please, you can reduce. Do not take sleeping pills. Too much sleeping pills can cause lack of sleep during your period of wanting to sleep. So always remember to arrange your pillow very well when sleeping, like arranging it with your head and chest, neck, chest, and head. Those 3 parts can cause you snore until you hate yourself or you make your partner fail to sleep. Snoring is the most beautiful thing I have ever had. It gives me sleep. Seriously, listen to that. Okay, my dear viewers, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.